So we are here tonight for the new Sweet Summer Nights, Dollywood's drone and fireworks celebration. Stay tuned for the amazing show. Follow us as we find out what all the excitement is about. As you make your way up to Wildwood Grove, head for that iconic tree to experience the Sweet Summer Nights celebration. Here, when you see the 4 trucks, you'll know that you're in the right spot. Right beneath the tree, center stage is where the dance party will begin at 8:45 and once again at 9:15. The energetic DJ has arrived along with the energetic dancers ready to get this party started. As soon as you hear the beat drop, get on the dance floor and let's get the party started.
To the Cupid Shuffle. Now let's keep on them arms. The left. Now keep.
After a short intermission, you can begin to catch those drones starting to sync up into the sky.
6, 7, 8. Pump, pump, take a step. Pump, pump, take a step. When I say Dolly, you say what? Dolly! Dolly! 3, 2, 1.
Was the show not amazing or what? From the dance party to the fireworks to the conclusion of the drone show and the big fireworks finale. I know for me, it was amazing, and I hope that this will inspire you on your journey, and hopefully you will have their best day ever.